Thanks everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to send voice message on Twitter. Before we get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. You can simply do this by heading into your Twitter right here. As you can see what inside this message section right here. As you can see, I would like to send this particular user a voice message right here. You cannot find this option of in recording yourself and sending them a voice message, but you are going to do is definitely simple. You will go ahead inside your iPhone. If you are using iPhone, you go to ahead and tap into this option of record just right here, and then tap on this button, the red button right here, and start recording yourself. And then after recording yourself, you go ahead and go into your Twitter account right here, and then send them those recordings. They will definitely receive them, and that's the only way you can simply message someone through a voice message on Twitter. So this is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.